Hello, my little artists. Today we are drawing a beautiful candle. Let's start by drawing a tall, straight shape. Nice and smooth. Good job. That's the candle body. Now let's add some melty wax at the top. Drip, drip, like ice cream melting. So fun. Now draw a tiny line in the middle for the wick. Perfect. And now, the most magical part, the flame. Draw a teardrop shape at the top.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar.
Color it bright yellow and a little red inside. Wow, it looks like it's glowing.
Guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams.
Now color the candle any color you like, maybe red or blue or rainbow. Imagine it shining softly in the dark. Twinkle, twinkle. So warm and cozy.
Throughout the night, magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow.
You did such an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to keep smiling and keep drawing. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.
Little cloud.